Max, Haley, Lab 11 detectors, Samar, Carter, Milster. We got this set up. We got an LED, check. APD, check. Photodiode, check. And we're covering it with this cloth. And if you look at our oscilloscope, there's two different signals. It's a little wonky right now, but this is the APD signal, this is the photodiode signal. What we're doing, we're adjusting the amplitude of this to make it so that there's a 1-to-1 ratio of the photodiode signal, and then we're gonna see if this APD still has signal. So awesome.
So now we have our photodiode, and we have it connected to our multimeter, and then we have the whole system connected to our oscilloscope, and as you can see, that is going to be the light level, and what we will be doing is we will be doing 10 different measurements of the voltage, and seeing how, of the light level, and seeing how the voltage change as a function of the light level, and then we're going to graph it. So this is our graph for voltage versus light level, and as we can see, it's a direct inverse of the IV graph. And that's because we swapped our two axes, and then we plotted our current versus light level, and because it is a little wonky because there was some fluctuations on the oscilloscope, but it has the general shape of a linear shape that it's supposed to have with connected to these IV graphs. Still in part A, this is part 3, we have our photoconductor here, and what we did is, like the other parts, we measured voltage as a function of the light level, or light level as a function of the voltage. And these were the results. So for part 4 of part A, what we will be doing is we're going to take our photodiode, and we're going to have a strobe light, and then see what the rise time for that is, and then also connect it to a 47 ohm resistor, and then also calculate rise time after that.
Okay. With the resistor, we got 190 microseconds, which is much smaller. Crazy. Part B, we're messing around with the IR filter and then an IR LED. So what we first did is we had this lab light on and no IR filter. We took a picture of that image. Then we put in the IR filter, took a picture of that image. Then we turned off the lights, took out the IR filter, took a picture of that image with the IR LED illuminated, and then we reinserted the IR filter and saw how that worked with the LED, and it blocked out that light.
This is the image with no IR plate.
That's crazy.
This is the image with the white light with the IR added in. This is the image when we are using no IR filter and there's no white light, there's just the IR LED. When the IR filter is on and the IR LED is on, you can see nothing.
You can't see anything.
So what we're doing here is we are going to find our focal length of our lens using our IR, and we are also going to find then our magnification doing some manipulation of geometrical optics.